Hello everyone, we are Team Z. My name is Ximing and I also have teammate Kaiwen and Yuhua here. So today I'm happy to make the presentation, and our project's goal is to analyzing 2019 US domestic flights data to help people better understand the factors that are associated with flight delays. And the main procedures we are taking here will be, for example, data extraction, merge, and feature selections. And then after the data extraction, we will do data cleaning and transformation. Then we will do some data visualizations and then make conclusion. So first of all, let's look at the overview of US domestic flight delays. We have some pictures here. So let's go to B, US delay map by state. We use choropleth maps to see how the delays are distributed, and as it shows from the graph, so northern states like North Dakota and South Dakota have longer delays. Some New England states also have longer delays. So we were thinking that the reasons could be the cold weather. And if we look at delay by airlines, we first will do some market share distribution. That's a simple illustration of market share breakdown for commercial airlines. And airlines like Southwest Airlines occupy around 20% of the aviation market share, while small regional airlines like Hawaii only occupy less than 5% market share in total. And if we are looking at the departure and arrival delay for low-cost airlines versus others, here we are using one chart to show each airline's departure and arrival delays. And from the plot, we can tell that Hawaii Airlines has the shortest departure delay and arrival delay. JetBlue Airways has the longest departure and arrival delays. And after we finished drawing the plot, we also would like to see if budget airlines and other major airlines have different departure and delay time. By making the calculation, we also found that the budget airlines have the main departure delay of 13.1 minutes and arrival delay of 7.6 minutes. And at the same time, other major airlines have the main departure delay of 8.2 minutes and arrival delay of 4 minutes. The pyramid chart can also tell us that the budget airlines usually have worse delays than others. And we can also take a close look at delay by time. And the delay map by quarters of 2019 tell us that the flight map is designed to show us which area has the longest average delay time in the USA. If the color around the area is light pink, then the average delay time will be 0 to 15 minutes. However, if the color is dark red, then the delay time is about 45 minutes. The size of the circle represents the air traffic volume in the area. The map shows us that delay is not necessarily related to the large traffic volume. In the first quarter, the cities in the northern states like Michigan overall had much worse delays. However, the situation changed in the second quarter. In the second quarter, the cities in the south like Miami overall had much worse delays. It makes sense because summer is the season for extreme weathers like thunderstorm. We can also look at delay by month. So we separated delays into three categories by delay status: long delay, short delay, and no delay. And we drew the bar chart to see how each category changed for each month. We found that in each year's June, airplanes have the most long delay and short delay cases on average. And in September, the delay cases are the fewest. We also have some miscellaneous facts. For example, like delay by flight length. The plot shows us that with the increase of flight time, the delay also decreases. The result suggests that when you are taking longer flights, for example, from New York City to Hawaii, for instance, the flight barely delays. But if you choose to fly from Orlando to Charlotte, the flight might have a very worse delay. In conclusion, we found that northern states like North Dakota, South Dakota, or New England states have longer delays, which might be due to cold weather. From tree map, we can see that states like Texas, California, New York, and Florida also have longer delays, which might be due to popularity. If we try to analyze by airlines, we found out that JetBlue and Atlantic Southeast Airlines have the longest mean delay. So try to avoid those larger airlines. And local airlines tend to have less average delay time. However, By analyzing the pyramid chart, we found that budget airlines usually have a worse delay than others. So overall, avoid large airlines, JetBlue and Atlantic Southeast, and try to avoid budget airlines. And that's all our presentation. Thank you for today.